Hi, I'm Graham Lewis, and in this video we're going to learn how to multiply simple fractions. So we're going to be concentrating on multiplying a number, a whole number, by a fraction that's smaller than 1 and a fraction by a fraction that's smaller than 1. So let's start with the whole number. Let's do 4 in our first example times 2/3. So what we've got is we've got 4 lots of 2/3. Remember what that means? That means I've got 2/3 4 times. So you could think of this as an addition. So I've got 2 add 2 add 2 add 2, which is 8, and I'm counting thirds, 8/3. But there's a quicker way to get there, and this is it. So consider the 4 as a fraction 4/1. So I've got 4/1 times 2/3, and all you need to do is multiply the top numbers together. 4 lots of 2 is 8, there's your 4 lots of 2, which equals 8, and you're counting 1 times 3, you're counting thirds. So to multiply two fractions, multiply the numerators together, the top numbers together, and the denominators together. It's that simple, honestly. Right, and now you try one on your own. So number 2, do 5 times 4/7. Okay, I'm going to pause. You should pause the video, try it, and then see if you got it right. So I'm going to write the 5 as 5/1 times 4/7. And using the rule, I've got 5 lots of 4 is 20, and 1 times 7 is 7. So you just multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together, and I get 27s. But I should write that as a mixed number in the end. So 7 goes into 21 twice, that's 14. Remainder 6 to make the 20, so 2 and 6/7. And that's it. I hope you got that one right. If not, ask your teacher or try it again. It's really good to persevere, and it's really good to know when to ask. All right, let's have a go at a fraction times a fraction. Number 3. Let's do a half of 4/7. Now, you can think about this logically. A half of 4/7 is actually 2/7. If you think about it, imagine a pizza cut into 7 slices. And you say, okay, I'm going to take 4 of the slices. So I've got 4 slices. And now I'm going to half what I have. Well, now I've got 2 slices. So I've got 2/7. So we know the answer is 2/7. Let's try the rule. Top number times top number, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 7 is 14. So it doesn't look like 2/7 yet, but aha, we can simplify this, because you can think of a number that goes into 4 and 14, and obviously it's 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we know that 2/7 is equivalent to 4/14. We know that because if we times 2/7 by 2/2, we get 4/14. So we know that 2/7 and 4/14 are equivalent from our fractions 1 video. So that's it. We've got the same answer to logically thinking about it. And that's how we multiply a fraction by a fraction. Just multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators. However, there's an even bigger trick. Let's take that question again. A half times 4/7. This is example 4. It's the same example. We know it's 2/7, but you can be sneaky. Watch this. Notice that 4 divided by 2 cancels, because you can write numbers in any order. If you think about this as a 1 times 4 on top and a 2 times the 7 on the bottom, what you can say is actually reorder that. Instead of 1 times 4, you could write 4 times 1, couldn't you? Because 1 times 4 is the same as 4 times 1. And then leave it as 2 times 7 on the bottom. The reason I did that is that I can rewrite this equation as 4/2 times 1/7. And 4/2 is 2, and 2 times 1/7 is just 2/7. So that's a different way of getting the same answer, 2/7, which we got before. So cancel. Let me show you how mathematicians usually write that without showing all of this working. So 1/2 times 4/7. So how we do that is we say that 4 divided by 2 is the same as 2 divided by 1. And now I've got 1 times 2 on top is 2, and a 1 times 7 on the bottom is 7. That's simple. So much quicker, and that's how most mathematicians do it. Let's do another one. Okay, let's have a look at example 33, because we've done a lot of problems in this video, haven't we? That's my bad British sense of humour, by the way. So if I was doing this the long way, I'd have to do 3 times 14 on the top and 7 times 9 on the bottom. And I might do it the long way after just to show you how horrible it is. But let's do it the quick way. 14 divided by 7 is the same as 2 divided by 1. Because 14 over 7 is 2 over 1. 3 divided by 9 is the same as 1 divided by 3. 3/9 is 1/3. Now, 1 times 2 on top is a 2, and a 1 times 3 on the bottom is 3. Ta-da! Nice and simple 2/3. Watch what happens if we do it the long way. 3/7 times 14/9. 3 times 14 is 14, 28, 38, 42. And 7/9 is 63. Okay, now you need to think of a number that goes into 42 and 63. And the answer is 21. So if you divide 42 by 21, it's 2. And 63 divided by 21 is 3. And you can see the numbers just get big and it's horrible and much harder. So why don't you try one on your own now? So your choice, you can do it the cancelling way or you can do it the long way. So pause the video, have a go at 3/5 times 10/21. And I'm going to go through it right now. So I'm going to do it the quick way. So 3 divided by 21 is the same as 1 divided by 7, because 7, 14, 21. 10 divided by 5 is the same as 2 divided by 1. So what I've actually got now is a 1 times 2, 2 on top, and a 1 times 7, 7 on the bottom, and I'm done. Let me do it the long way just to show you that it is the same. So if I had 3/5 times 10/21, 3 times 10 on top is 30, 5 times 21 is 105, 15 goes into both of those numbers, 15 goes into 30 twice, and believe it or not, 15 goes into 105 7 times, giving me the same answer. Much harder though, but you'll still get there. Okay, so that's how to multiply fractions less than 1. And that was fraction video number 4, I believe. So you're ready now for fractions 5 after you've done some practice. Well done, keep going.